In front of me is Realme 12 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, select photos and decide if you wish to delete them from Photos section or one of your albums. To delete them from Photos, hold the chosen one and use this icon at the top right corner. To delete them from albums, tap on the chosen album, hold one of your pictures and click on Select All at the top right corner over here. Wherever you decided to exclude some of your photos that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. And then to delete the rest, use this pin at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!